bird's umbrella. Uri is an umbrella bird. One day, she goes to the market. It is a hot day. "Oh no," she says. She is unhappy. She takes out her umbrella. She holds it over her head. She walks down the hill. Uri bird reaches the market. First, she buys fruit from Uncle Peacock. Then she buys vegetables. She pays for the vegetables. It begins to rain. She looks up. "Oh no," she says. She takes out her umbrella again. She opens the umbrella. She walks up the hill to her home. Rhyme time! Uri holds her umbrella and goes down the hill. Uri does some shopping and then pays the bill.